Sehr verehrter Reichsführer, anliegend überreiche ich Ihnen mit der Bitte um Kenntnisnahme das Ergebnis der Untersuchungen über die Möglichkeit einer Röntgensterilisation bzw. Kastration.
Dear Reichsführer, I am sending you herewith the results of research on the possibility of sterilization and castration by X-rays. The experiments in this field are concluded. The following results have been obtained. They are sure and scientific. For people who have to be permanently sterilized, it is necessary to apply X-ray treatments so intense that castration, with all its consequences, results. In fact, the strong doses of X-rays destroy the internal secretions of the ovaries and the testicles alike. Weaker doses would only suspend sexual potency temporarily. The dosage can be obtained in several ways, and the treatment carried out without the subject being aware of it. For men, the irradiation source needs a power of 500 to 600 Roentgens. For women, 350 Roentgens. In principle, with maximum intensity and a minimum breadth of the filter, 2 minutes of exposure for men and 3 minutes for women should be sufficient. In practice, a method emerges. This would be, for example, to summon the people to be treated to a window and have them fill in forms or answer questions, thus keeping them there for 2 or 3 minutes. The official seated behind the window could adjust the machine, moving a lever to operate both tubes at the same time. Irradiation must be bilateral. In this way, a device with 2 tubes could sterilize 150 to 200 people per day, and with some 20 such devices, 3,000 to 4,000 per day. To my knowledge, no deportations of a greater number of people per day are envisaged.